Welcome to the series of Microsoft Azure. In the previous videos of this series, I created an Azure account, SQL database server, SQL past tables, view and store procedures, data source using view, Azure search index, Azure search indexer. So you can check the link of the full playlist in the upper right corner. Today we are starting to explore the Azure Data Factory. So let's get started. So the Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service provided by the Microsoft Azure. It allows you to create, schedule, and manage data pipelines that move and transform data from disparate sources to destinations. ADF supports hybrid data integration, meaning it can work with data both on premises and in the cloud. So it has several key features that includes the data orchestration, connectivity, data transformations, monitoring and management, integration with Azure service. Overall, Azure Data Factory serves as a robust tool for building and managing data pipelines, enabling data engineers and developers to create efficient and scalable data integration solution across drivers, data source, and destination. So, if you want to know more about the Azure Data Factory, you can check the link, the official link of the Microsoft. So if I go to the link, you can see here is what is Data Factory, usage scenarios, and how does it work. And if you can check the visual guides provided by the detailed overview of the complete Data Factory architecture. Uh, if I uh, if I open in the high resolution image, so you can see it contains what is data, what is Azure Data Factory, how does it work, and the different components of the data factory. So you can check this visual guide, and we will see all those things with examples in the upcoming video. So please stick to this series. In today's video, the topics we will cover: the create a new Azure Data Factory, next create new Azure DevOps organization and project, and next set up code repository, Azure DevOps Git. So jump to the browsers and create a new Azure Data Factory. To the Azure Data Factory, you have to go to this site, adf.azure.com. And if I go to the Azure Data Factory, uh, you have to log in with your Azure account. Next, you have to create a new data factory by providing a name, location, and the subscription. I have the subscription pay as you go, and I will create. And next, it will redirect it to this data factory. Next, you have to set up the code repository, and the repository will be, can be GitHub or the Azure DevOps Git. So I will choose here the Azure DevOps Git. So Azure DevOps is a great tool for managing and automating various aspects of development, including Azure Data Factory. You can use Azure DevOps to version control your ADF pipelines, collaborate on code changes, automate deployments, and set up CI/CD pipeline for ADF projects. By integrating Azure DevOps with ADF, you can streamline your development process and improve collaboration among team members working on the data integration and the ETL task. Next, I will click on continue. You have to create the account in the Visual Studio account. So I will create a organization. Here you can see the get started with the Azure DevOps. And if I go to the Azure DevOps organization, here I have to create a project. Now if I configure here, again select the Azure DevOps Kit and continue. and here I have to put the link. If I go to the dev.azure.com, and here is my project, and if I enter into the project, I have to copy this link and have to paste it here. accounts.visualstudio.com DevOps repository. So we are facing this Azure DevOps repository is in the default directory. So we have to change it to the default directory. For this, we have to go to the Azure DevOps, and here the profile, and inside profile you will you have to go to the Azure DevOps profile page. And next, from the drop down, you have to choose the default directory. And have to continue. So it's changed to the default directory, and now create a new organization. Continue. Here I have to create the project name. HTML demo ADF, and create project. Now I will go to the ADF, cancel it. I will refresh the ADF. Next, I will configure the Git repository. I will choose the Azure DevOps Git and the default directory. And from the default directory, I found my organization name and the project name, this HTML demo ADF, and the repository name will be the HTML demo ADF. Collaboration branch, I have to create new branch like develop. In the root folder, use custom content, import resource, develop, and apply. You can see the repo connected. Repository setting has been successfully made. Now if I go to here and go inside the project and the repos, here you can see the develop branch here. Now I can work with this repository. I can work in this develop branch. I hope you like the video. Please, if you like the video, please hit the like button, and please share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.